Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful fresh arrival used unit, guys, 2024 Chrysler Grand Caravan. So this one's going to come in the ice white colorway here. You'll have those nice beautiful silver rims, looks very, very clean on this one. You'll have mirror lights here, keyless entry. Taking a look into the passenger here, so you'll see you have tons and tons of room, cloth seats in this one with that beautiful colorway that looks very clean on this one. Power rear door here, so you'll see that'll just open up nice. Captain seats here, giving you tons of access and tons of room to get to the back there. Pulling the door handle and shuts nice and easy for you. We'll come around to the back. One click of a button, nice and easy to open up for you, so you guys will have that room here, as well as you will be able to drop the seats here and give your guys a ton more room if you are in need of some. One click of a button, that'll close backup camera on there. That'll be a touch button inside. We'll get a look into the rears from here. Then you'll see you'll obviously have your space under here and a whole nice runway there for you guys, as well as there will be a button here to close that up. Heated mirrors as well as blind spot detection on your mirrors in this one, guys. You will have your beautiful dial shifter, 4 different cup holders up here, lights, adjustable wheel, power mirrors, everything you want, guys. This van will have for you and your family. If it interests you, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.